In this video, I wanted to talk about a cool and unique way that I found software engineers can make money, or how people that might want to get their foot into software engineering might be able to start getting paid. So, what you see here is a repository on GitHub for an Expensify app. And if we do a quick Google search for Expensify, you'll find that it's a expense management system for personal and business use, along with a few other financial services. But going back to the repo, if we click on the Expensify app, this new Expensify app is a new application for a financial collaboration centered around chat. And if we click on the link here, this is what you'll get to the actual app. The neat thing about this app is if we go to the issues and I scroll down through some, you'll see that some of these issues have a they have a dollar amount associated with them in the title. And if you click on them, if you click on one of these, you'll see the information to reproduce the issue. And basically, these issues are up for grabs for anyone that can potentially fix these, and you would get paid after the work is done. Of course, there's like a review process that it has to go through for them to verify that everything works. But then essentially, you get paid to fix bugs or implement new features. And if we click on this link, view all open jobs on GitHub, you can see that these are all the ones that they have a help wanted sign. Some are new features, some are bugs, and most of them have a money amount associated with them, which is probably what they would pay you. I did read a bit into some of the documentation for this repo about like submitting proposals and fixes, and it did mention something about how you could, if it does take longer, you could potentially talk to someone to get paid a bit more for like all the work, because some of these might take longer to do than others. But yeah, it's a really cool idea for anybody. If you're a freelancer and you're trying to pick up jobs, sometimes it might be hard to, if you don't have a whole lot of experience doing this, to get jobs. All you have to do is come in here and fix the issue and submit it. And if everything works, you get paid for it. Now, I know some of the downsides to this could be that you spend countless hours trying to fix one of these issues, and somebody else might beat you to it and collect the bounty for this before you do. So yeah, that would probably suck. But for junior developers, you get into experience of working on real world problems that somebody is willing to pay money to fix. So that's pretty valuable as well. But there's other issues that you could work on, and I'm sure if you really dive into this and you start to get comfortable with the application, you should be able to pick these up, fix these a bit faster with the time. Say if we click on one of these, all of these should have a link for the job description in Upwork. And if you're not familiar with Upwork, it's a website where freelancers can go and find jobs, and vice versa. People can go and find freelancers. But they have the whole description of the issue. They have that link to the GitHub and gives you some details on how to propose a fix for this. So yeah, this is a really cool idea. I think that people that might not want to either work for a company, or that they're having trouble finding work or getting experience, I think this is a good start and a good opportunity for people that want to try it out as a software engineer, get that experience. I did a search and I found another GitHub that has a list of more paid open source projects like this. I wasn't aware that there's open source projects that you can contribute to and get paid for. Sure, there's people out there that didn't know some of this existed, so I'd wanted to share. But here you can see a list of other open source projects. And if we scroll down, Expensify is down here at the bottom. And yeah, the payment's different for, like, this first one is $2,000 per bounty. There's 30, 80, and then Expensify is 250 to 500 per bounty, though most of the ones I saw were 500. But yeah, I think this is a really cool thing. Hope this helps somebody out, and hope someone takes a stab at doing this. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time.